It's a routine thing that we do from time to time. And so Mr. President is here on Easter break. And so on his invitation, I'm here to brief him further. What I can say is that Mr. President has the media industry in mind. One of the first questions he asked me is, how are they faring, especially as a result of the meeting we had with the media executives in Abuja a couple of weeks ago. A number of issues were raised, and Mr. President is looking at them dispassionately, and he has asked me for my own input, and I've given him. He's going to take the final decision on how he can help the media to do its work better. And he has also called on me to continue to inform Nigerians that he is indeed listening to them, all the the observations about what is happening in the country. Mr. President is listening. He's a keen watcher of events, and as the Commander-in-Chief, he has asked Nigerians to once again come together, reflect, think deeply about Nigeria, be patriotic the more, as he works to ensure that especially issues of security are resolved once and for all. I mean, he just came back from Jos, and security is uppermost in his mind. He keeps talking and discussing with the security agencies on how we can find a lasting solution, and collaboration with our regional partners, collaboration with our international partners, to ensure that we bring lasting peace to our country. He is also happy with some of the reports that he's getting from the international development partners, international finance agencies, the rating agencies. They're all giving Nigeria a pass mark. Everybody is seeing that the reforms are actually working in the interest of Nigeria, and Nigeria is finding its place in the Committee of Nations once again. And these are all things that Mr. President is very happy about, and is going to continue to work to make sure that the reform actually take hold strongly for the benefit of all Nigerians.
You mentioned the Jos visit, the Plateau visit, and that same day, President received the presidents of Chad to talk about insecurity in that part of the country, northeast particularly. What do you say to the significance of this partnership?
It is very significant because when you're fighting terrorism, terrorism has no borders, we all know, especially with the issues happening in the Sahel. It is almost impossible for Nigeria to act alone. And I said earlier, the president is saying that regional cooperation, especially with our neighbors, is absolutely important. So the visit of President Derby to Abuja to see Mr. President on the same day that he went to Jos is very significant. A number of issues were discussed on how the cooperation can be further deepened, not just between Nigeria and Chad, but all our neighbors, to ensure that all the issues, the security challenges in the Sahel are actually curtailed, because without that, it will be almost impossible for us to fight insecurity. This, of course, is in addition to what Mr. President is doing with our international partners, the United States, the European Union, United Kingdom, all of them. Recall that even when the President went on a state visit to the United Kingdom, security was also top on the agenda. A number of issues relating to how Nigeria can be helped to also solve this issue of security once and for all was also discussed. So these are all things that the President is looking at dispassionately. So even as he's doing an Easter break, it is also a working